Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell, I'm going to be going over my 2026 luxury wish list. I'm going to be going over bags, shoes, jewelry, just all the things that I really want. So if you think that you'll be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. The first category on my list is jewelry. I have really been obsessed with jewelry the past couple of years and just really have been wanting to invest. I'm sure it's no surprise that I have the Cartier Love and Just Include bracelet on my wish list. I feel like I've had this on my wish list probably the last like 3 years, and this year I just really want to finally purchase them. I have a really pretty big birthday. I turned 30 this year, so I feel like that would be just the best gift to get myself. I don't know if I want to just go ahead and get both, because I feel like that's kind of a really huge purchase, or if I should just maybe just get the Just Include this year or the Love bracelet, and then, you know, maybe next year get the other bracelet. I'm not really sure yet, because of course I also want a tennis bracelet, and yeah, like I think this would go perfect with my stack. I don't have any bracelets right now, so like I just feel like that'll go perfect. If I do end up getting the Cartier bracelet, the tennis bracelet will go great. And I really want to get the 2 carat size. I had previously bought a 1 carat probably like 3 years ago, but I ended up returning it because I just felt like it was a little too dainty. And you know, I feel like if you're investing the money, I want to get something that, you know, is a little bit just more noticeable, and you know, you can really see it. And I wasn't really in love with the quality. I had got it from Saks off 5th, and I don't know, the diamonds just weren't really that sparkly, so I just want to really get like a nice quality 2 carat tennis bracelet. So yeah, those are like the big jewelry things that I want. And then I also want to get some hoop earrings. So I have these hoop earrings, but these are gold plated, so I just want to invest in some 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold, just because I can't really wear these for a long time. I'm allergic to fake jewelry, so I only can wear these for like a couple hours, but I really love the style. I love the thickness. I love this size. So basically I want to get these exact earrings in 14 karat or 18 karat gold, because yeah, I'm obsessed with these and I wear these all the time, even though sometimes they irritate my ears. The next category is bags, and honestly I don't really have that many bags that I want. Of course, this been on my wish list probably for the past year or 2 years, is the Chanel beige mini flap. I am slowly collecting mini flaps. I have 3 right now. I have a black, a coral reddish color, and then I have a pink color. So I really would like to get a beige just to add to my collection, because my dream is to have like a color wheel of all Chanel minis. They're my favorite bag. I love that size. I'm a mini bag type of girl, so I've never really been super interested in like the double flaps medium or large. I'm waiting for Chanel to come out with like a beige color. They came out with a beige color I think last year, but literally when I went to the store they were completely sold out. So I know that's the color that like a lot of people want, so it's kind of hard to get. So hopefully this year they come out with it, or I'll even settle for like a bright color, maybe like a teal, a blue, a yellow, something that I can just really have that pop of color, because I really like to wear like my coral and pink bag a lot, just when I'm wearing like all black, like an outfit like this. So I feel like, you know, a blue or a yellow would be really great for the summer. So either a beige or a blue or a yellow. Those are like what I'm really searching. So the next category is shoes. I'm such a shoe girl. I love shoes. They're like my favorite things to buy, and I just feel like you can never have enough shoes. So the first pair of shoes on my wish list is the Louis Vuitton Bondia sandals. I think I had these on my wish list last year, and I almost ended up purchasing them, but I think this was like when I had first got my watch, and I just was like, okay girl, slow down a little bit, so I ended up not getting them. But I have tried them on in store like a couple of times, and I'm just like, oh my god, I love them. I wear my Birkenstocks. They're basically like the designer version of Birkenstocks, and I wear my Birkenstocks all the time, so I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of them. A lot of people said they're so comfortable. So yeah, those are like pretty high on my wish list, so hopefully I get them and have them this summer, so stay tuned. Next shoe that I would love is the Christian Louboutin Dolly knee sandals. I really love those. I think that they're so cute. They'll be so cute with like a cute little summer dress, and I just think they're perfect for summer. Of course you can wear them in the winter too, but I just think that they're so cute and so girly, and I just feel like I need a pair. So that was my 2026 luxury wish list. Were you surprised by anything? Probably not. A lot of these items I've been having on wish list for a long time. So stay tuned for any unboxings. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, 12 for 12 for SWAT. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, for 12 for SWAT. Pulling out the coupe in the lot. Rolling for 12 for SWAT.